Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find new summer secret location in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can join the free play mode in Dress to Impress and you can follow where I go. Okay guys, you can go outside the building right here. Okay, just follow me. And then you're going to turn on your camera movement and try to glitch like this. You're going to go to the outside and you need to go to this location guys, this island, and then you're going to move to this area. Okay, just follow me and then you will find this location. Okay, wait. Okay, you need to be careful so you will not fall. Okay, and this is for the secret location. You can jump to this area. Okay, and here you will find some mermaids and mermans. Okay, and I think this is a sneak peek of the summer update in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the secret location in Dress to Impress summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!